Things are about to get a little bit more expensive for most of us when it comes to getting mortgages in the future. Fannie Mae and Freddie Mac just announced some major changes that are starting on May 1st. Check it out. We're going to go through some of them so you know what to look for. All right, Adam. So what's changing? What's a loan level price adjuster? Well, essentially what that is a fancy name for a fee or a charge that you're going to see in the interest rate. So essentially you won't see it on paper, but you will see it in the form of a higher interest rate. These loan level price adjusters have been around forever. It's just that they're now changing them and they're increasing them for higher end borrowers that are putting down a lesser payment. Essentially, they're penalizing you if you have good credit, but you don't have a large down payment. They did some changes a year ago with second homes, investment properties, that sort of thing. They're now coming back and doing more changes to those products as well. So it's going to make lending more expensive for the middle class and for most of America. There is one group that is benefiting, the lower to lower middle class, is getting some reduction in some of these loan level price adjusters. So that's a positive. Hopefully, spur some of that lower income housing that we're definitely in need of across the nation. But ultimately, the middle class borrower is going to be the one that pays the price. They are going to pay the penalty. Instead of before where interest rates, 740 and above were considered the exact same, it's now going up to 780. Debt to income ratio is being factored in a lot more than it used to. So what do you need to be aware of? Well, get with me if you have questions on what the changes are. But as we've been kind of talking about and going through on our videos, now is not the time to wait. This is the time to get into the market, get those concessions, get those buy downs. It's heating up, it has stabilized. And before these changes come into effect, you definitely want to get on board. So reach out to me if you have any questions. Adam Rinkin, Denver's premier mortgage lender with Caliber Home Loans. Thanks.